Hey, what's going on, guys? Adam with Theme Park Blitz, and a little bit of an update for you. I'm in Hawaii. Not on vacation, unfortunately. I'm here for work, but as many of you know, I'm a big Disney fan, hence the tropical Disney t-shirt. And as also many of you know, Disney actually has the Aulani DVC resort here on the island of Oahu. Now, I can't stay there. It's way, way too expensive, and I don't have that kind of bag to drop. However, you can go dine there. You can check out the spa and see what they have to offer. So, today, I've got a character breakfast, I've got a massage, and then I'm just gonna walk around the resort and see if you're in Hawaii and you don't wanna drop the bag, can you go visit Aulani and still have a Disney good time? So please join me today. I'm super excited. It's a beautiful day outside. We're gonna go drive over there just in a few minutes here and check out what Disney has to offer Hawaii. So let's do it. I'm excited. All right, after a short drive, we're pulling up right now. I just figured out where to park, so we're gonna walk straight in and go straight to breakfast. I did get a reservation. The good news is that I am super hungry. So hopefully I'll get some good food. I'll see some characters. It's been so long since I've seen a Disney character, which you kind of take for granted. When you go to the parks all the time, you're like, oh, look, there's Mickey or whatever. There's something about it, man, I'm telling you. If it's been a while since you've seen one, like, you just really want to see one. So hopefully I don't get too lost on my way there. The guys at the front of the resort helped find me a parking spot, so that's nice. I can tell you so far, the big thing about the grounds of the resort, just pulling up, it's so pretty, and it looks so different from the part. So I'm staying in Waikiki, and this is just like way more relaxing, way more agrarian, beautiful, scenic, luscious forest. I'm really hyping it up. I haven't even gone inside yet, so before I say too much, let me walk around a bit. I'll get some footage for y'all, and then next time you hear me talk, we'll probably be at breakfast, stuff in my face, so looking forward to it. Not only have I found the restaurant, I found, I think, Goofy and Max. I don't even like a Goofy movie, and I'm like, it's Max. So this restaurant looks freaking gorgeous, by the way. Oh, I see Pluto too. Let's go check in. Not only am I starving, I'm starved. I'm ready for some snacks. My poet didn't even know it before. Dude, this is some hot breaking news. They give you a, probably a COVID thing. They give you a ticket when you check in, so you can get a pic with Mickey right before you dine. So, picture time. Just say hi to the fam. They wish they were here. Oh, that's beautiful. All right. All right. Thank you.
And where's the fam?
Florida.
Are they okay?
Yeah, they are okay.
Okay,
They are
good,
okay.
good,
They're
good,
on the other coast.
Hey.
Yeah.
Well, let's hope that everybody's okay, yeah? All
I
right.
appreciate the concern.
Well, we're
Mickey's
glad
very
you're here for on vacation. We're going to look over here at Mickey's camera first. 1, 2, and 3. Good job, sir. Yeah, throw that shock up in the air. Throw your arms in the air. Hey. And then your camera, your video camera. Camera video.
That looks awesome. Okay, I got some snacks.
Sweet. Mickey, so good to see you. Have a great day. I'm
Aw,
so
enjoy
hungry,
your
yes.
breakfast.
Hi, Goofy. What are you cooking up today? Anything good? Oh, waffles, eggs, pancakes. Oh, I'm so hungry. Obligatory pog juice, water. Apparently pastries are on the way. And then order is in. It's gonna be good. All right, pastries have arrived. Let's take a look. We've got, excuse my ginormous hands. We got some sort of muffin. Looks like a croissant of some kind, or a scone, Danish. That's definitely a croissant. And some sort of roll. It's a lot of rolls. All right, here we go. We're gonna try them out. That's one. Number one. Number two. That's on top right there. That's the best one. All good, but that's the best one. For the sake of testing, this was number two. The croissant was probably number three. The muffin was number four, and number one was this whatever sweet roll is. It was so good, I'm going back in. Oh yeah, washed it off with some pog juice too. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. I literally had to go into my telephoto lens to get all of this in frame because this is the world's largest omelet. Got some roast potatoes on the side and some vegetables, question mark? This is that Kahlua pig omelet. It looks literally insane. I'll let you know how it is, but it looks ridiculous. For scale here. It's a big omelet. Hi, Pluto! Now, who is the best dog in the world? I'm pretty sure it's gotta be you. It's gotta be you, right? How do you like Hawaii? Is it good? Is it good for a dog? Oh, it makes your heart happy? What's like the best dog activity in Hawaii? Oh, okay. Makes sense. Yeah, out in the ocean. All right, well, I'll have to catch you out there after breakfast. Oh, I'll say hi to my wife as well. She's not here, but she misses you. You're her favorite, so she's in Florida. I know. That's what I said. Next time she comes, I'll make sure we find you. Bye, Pluto. Have a good rest of your day. Yeah. Yo, Max, how's it going? First off, how's Roxy? She doing good? Yeah? What do they got you busting tables here? Yeah, is that how you're earning a wage out here in Hawaii? It's expensive out here, so hey, someone's got to make money. What do you think of your dad running the kitchen? Are you doing a good job? Crazy? Would you do better? I think so. I think that that's right. You put a little bit of salt on it. Yeah, I see what you did there. That's good. That's good. All right. Well, you know, I go to the parks a lot. I never see you, so it's so cool seeing you here. Last time I saw you was Walt Disney World Marathon, like 4 years ago. So that's right. That's right. You were surfing out there. Yeah, you surfing out here? Any hint that Powerline's going to be here in Hawaii soon? I hope so. Fingers crossed, right? Oh, you've got the move. Look at that. You've got the moves and everything. That's great. That's exactly what everyone wants to see. All right, Max, it's been a pleasure. Have a good rest of your day. I'll catch you hanging 10 later. And a little bit more of that. Yeah. They forgot to mention, they gave me a little birthday thing. And it's also Halloween theme. So like double duty. I've got a little bit of Halloween action. I've got a little bit of Happy Birthday Me action. I have no idea what it is, but I'll try it. All right, well, breakfast was officially vanquished. I am beyond full. So what happens when you have like a small toddler-sized omelet, plus pastries, plus birthday cake. I was swindled. I purchased a print. It was a cool photo. Got the digi downloads as well. Easy thumbnail. I'll pay for thumbnails. No big deal. Now is an even more exciting part because I've got not just breakfast done, but I've got a massage booked at the spa. So I hear the spa here is absolutely incredible. I am dying for a massage. As you know, spas are not very vlog friendly. So I will get some footage when I walk in, and then I'll probably see you afterwards. So if I look 20 years younger, well, I look like 6 of them 20 years younger. 7 actually, happy birthday to me. If I look a lot more relaxed post-massage, you'll know why. Okay, I found the spa. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to film inside, and I don't wanna be a bleep hole, so I'll let you know how it is afterwards if I can't film. And if I can film, then enjoy this footage. This is a really nice robe. I'm being quiet because we're in the spa, but it's a really nice robe. All right, I've made it to the outdoor relaxation area. I don't see anyone here, so I'm only gonna film if no one's here. Okay, so if I suddenly turn off the camera, that's why. But there's a cold plunge pool here, which is freezing cold. There's a hotter hot tub there. In the middle here, there's all these different experience showers with different water pressures and stuff. If I walk in there, my phone's gonna get destroyed, so I'm not gonna do that. More experience showers, very nice. Through these bushes, there's some people, so I'm not filming, but there's 2 hot tubs over there, and there's like a nice little walking path for your feet. All this is to say, it's all super nice. I wish I could show you the inside. I won't film in the locker room really, or the path on the way in, but it's gorgeous. When you come in, they make you pick up like a stone that says like happiness or health or something, and then you pick it up randomly, you make a wish on it, put it back. But like this whole little journey they've developed of senses and different areas that you enter. It's just like really beautiful. I've been to a lot of spas. My mom's a professional masseuse, so I've seen a lot of spas. This is like way up there. Locker room's really nice. They've got a little co-ed relaxation area with like waters and stuff. Super nice. I'm gonna chill out here for a little bit, shower, and then massage time, and then I'll see you afterwards. All right, I've just finished my spa journey, and I use the word journey because I've been on a journey. It was incredible. Actually, no joke, one of the best massages. This pool area is so cool, by the way. One of the best massages I've ever had. And I've had a number of massages. One of the top, if not 5, if not 3, top 2. Really incredible. It's a beautiful spa. It's a beautiful relaxation area, locker room, etc., etc. Now I think I'm just gonna like tour around the resort. As I said, there's that water play area behind me. I'm not a resort guest, so I can't go in the pool. I think there's like a wristband system, and I wouldn't do that anyway. I wouldn't cheat the mouse out of their billions. Wouldn't be moral. But I'm gonna do what I can do, which I think is like the beach, because I think all the beaches are public in Hawaii, and eat, maybe get a drink, there's some football on. It's still really nice out. It's pretty hot, to be honest, but it's nice out, so just gonna keep exploring the grounds, and I'll show you some cool footage while I walk around. Hear me out if this makes sense. All of this behind me is Aulani, and then this is public beach. So, $700 a night? Free. I think I choose free. Although, I'm not gonna lie. Looks pretty nice over there too. All right folks, we're doing a water check. Looks pretty clear. Oh, there go my shoes. I think there's a couple of resorts here. I don't know what that one is, but all of this is Aulani. Oh, that was a bad idea. Now my feet are gonna be gross. Oh well. But yeah, this whole area is really nice. To be honest, I've been on better beaches, actually in the Caribbean. So shout out Disney Cruise Line. But this is good too. I have 2 things left on my agenda. The first, Dole Whip, necessary. Second, get a drink. Third, find Donald Duck. If I can do all 3, it's mission accomplished. All right, folks, I found the homie. Ohana, my dude. Folks, we found it. There it is. Dole Whip Fruit Sundae. Alright, I'm literally sitting on the ground because I couldn't find a table or chairs that I was allowed to be at. But here she is, folks. Sorry, it's melting. It's hot. I've gone for something I've never tried before. It's pineapple and watermelon swirl. Ugh. It's like SpongeBob and Patrick. Blue. It's not blue at all. Pink. Orange. It's very melty already. I better get cracking. I don't even have time to talk. It's been nice knowing y'all. I'm gonna destroy this, and I'll check in with you when it's done. All right, let's look at the merch situation. Of course, you've got the Spirit jersey. Not a huge Spirit jersey person, but they have them. Got like different, there's like multiple merch stops. So this is like the poolside one. There's a lot more like sun shirts and stuff. Behind me, we got shave ice, Hawaiian shave ice. There's also a snack shack with things like chicken fingers, cheese sticks, fish and chips, you know, typical like poolside food. I can see there's like a little, behind me there's like an aquarium. Fishes, this is amazing. This would easily be one of my, like if this were a Walt Disney World resort, which I know is an unfair expectation. Sorry, something big just happened. I didn't find Donald. Oh, I can't zoom in on this. Yikes. Goofy's there, and he's in shorts. He's having a great time. I wonder if I can intercept him. All right, Goofy, we're saying hi to all the fans back home, online. Is there anything you gotta say? Think about it. Me? Yes. Me? Swim, jump, dive. Not on the bridge, of course, but folks, Goofy says I gotta go swim, so it's time to go swim. You heard it here first. Goofy, it's been a pleasure. Don't tell Donald. I was looking for him earlier, but I think you're my favorite. Don't tell him though. Don't tell him, because he has a temper. He has a temper and he's gonna get mad, but you, I understand you understand. And you know what? Actually, I'm gonna go play golf later, and I know you're a golfer too. Exactly, exactly. So it's kind of a goofy day. All right, Goofy, well, I love the outfit. I got some merch myself. We're gonna go hang out. All right, bye. Well, I did the oopsie twice. I went and got more merch. And then in addition to all of those places I visited, there's more restaurants, there's bars that I didn't visit, there's lounges, there's a luau, which I'm sure is very commercial, but there's a luau. A lot to do here. And if you just ate at a different restaurant every night, I mean, you'd be busy for 4 or 5 nights, which is great. If you're here and you kind of just want that little staycation piece. It's funny, I was saying before I came and visited, I was like, I don't know if I would ever stay at Aulani because it's so expensive, and the Disney Cruise Line experience is also amazing and cheaper. But after visiting just for the day, I might. It's really nice. It's very busy, but it seems very relaxing. It seems like there's a lot of different places to explore, and you can really have the vacation sort of at your fingertips in such a great environment. And this side of the island is so much prettier than the other side. So, would I recommend Aulani without actually staying here and just touring one of the rooms? Absolutely. If you're in Hawaii, specifically if you're on Oahu, and you want to do a day visit, I really recommend that. You don't have to spend as much money as I did on merch. I think just the breakfast, if you just get a breakfast or a dinner reservation, it was like $45 for one person, which is expensive, but by Hawaii standards, it's really not that expensive. Come and then just walk around, get yourself a Dole Whip, just stroll, especially if you're a big Disney fan. I mean, that's all you really need, to be honest. And then you get to experience the whole vibe, which is really the best thing about the resort is the vibe, I would say. So I really highly recommend it. Come check it out for the day. Heck, come fly to Hawaii, stay here. It's been an absolute pleasure exploring. I'm gonna go home and count all my merch up and then use it on my next Disney cruise, or maybe my next Aulani trip. Tell you what, if I ever become a DVC member, you better believe I'm coming. So, all of that said, thank you for joining me on this Aulani trip. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe. I've been recognized by 3 little children here who pointed me out as a YouTuber, so that's great. The fame is spreading, the good word is being spread amongst the community. Thank you for watching. I will see all of you in the next video. Probably on the Disney Cruise Line. Hey.